is Joan. I am the owner of SB Wedding and the brain behind Bridely.ai. I have been doing wedding planning for so long that I have heard so many pain points from the brides, the couples, the family that is helping plan this wedding. So what I did is put all of that pain points into a solution. Bridely.ai is a free wedding planning tool. And here, as you can see, I am just gathering the information that you need regarding your wedding. How many guests you want, how much is your budget, what location, what style, all of that so that you can create this free platform of Bridely that you can manage your wedding at. It's that simple. And then once you get in here, you get your whole dashboard and you don't have to go anywhere else. And I mean it. When you get inside here, Brightly is right here to guide you from creating your checklist, creating your milestones, which is that, right? You need to make sure you know what you need to do because you don't want to be all over the place. You create your budget here. You know how much you spent, how much you're tracking to what you're supposed to spend. And then the best part, you do your website here, your RSVP here, your guest list is tracked here. No more Excel sheets, no more multiple website. It is so much easier. That is the whole purpose. It's meant to be seamless and fun. And that's what we're bringing back, making planning your wedding again fun. So here we go. We even have vendor team. This is where your vendors that you contacted to book, you actually know which one you actually contacted to book. And if you book them, they become part of your vendor team that you can manage and track. And if you pay them in full, oh my God, my contracts are all here. Like I said, nowhere to go anywhere else. Here, just do it all here. You have your search for your vendors here. You have the vendors outside that is not in Brightly here. There is no way that you're going to be managing your wedding again in a different way. This is it, one place. And I love the website. You know why? Because a lot of people need timers. We need to know when that wedding is coming. I seriously do. And then we need to know when those RSVPs are due. And when they're all said and done, I need a sitting chart. I really do. Why not make it all happen in one place? Let's start planning your wedding for free at Bridely AI.